everybody? It's Jade here, LaPorte Chrysler, Magnuson Performance. We're here in Gainesville, Florida, having breakfast slash lunch at Cracker Barrel. We're in the Magnuson Performance Jeep, and we are headed just north of Jacksonville, Florida, and we're gonna see if we can drive this bad boy on the beach. Yo, what up, guys? It's Jade just checking in here again. I'm with Ben.
What's up?
As always, traveling companion. We are 23 minutes away from Fernandina Beach. We're gonna see if we can get on the beach with this Gladiator, take some cool pictures.
Yeah, it said that we could, so if so, I just want to say I cruised the beach at the ocean. We've done, Silver Lake, obviously, and like sand dunes like that, which is fun, but I want to cruise the ocean. Pizza spots, but the ocean is just right on the other side of this, so we're gonna check this out. 4-wheel drive required, and that's it. Just like that, we just pull onto the beach. Ooh, we should probably air our tires down though. Do they have air?
What's up, guys? We're pulling onto the beach at Fernandina Beach. Ben is driving the Gladiator out here. It's beautiful. We just asked the guy if we had to air down the tires. He said it's pretty compact. We should be good. So we're gonna find a little spot and get some content. Anyways, we just asked one of the guys in charge out here on the beach if we're allowed to drive past this "no driving beyond this point" sign, and we can for about 10 minutes. So we're going to grab some drone footage, grab some photos.
What's up, everyone? So we're on the beach. Like I said, or like Jake said, the firefighter rescue people down there said it would be cool if we spent 10 minutes or so out here. So a couple of people are looking at us like, what are you doing? Why are you driving past this point? But it's all good. No one's giving us any trouble. Jake's doing his thing. I'm sure you guys are loving his photography. All these awesome shots of these athletes. This guy's a rock star. Yeah, so here we are, chilling at the ocean.
So beach rescue guy pulled up in a really old Jeep on the beach, and I think he was the head honcho because he was kicking us out of there, and he seemed like he was gonna not be so happy at the guy who let us in there.
Yeah, he definitely wasn't happy.
Ben was kind of scared, I think.
Shaking.
I was telling him, hey, we need to just get out of this situation, because we did get the approval. We didn't even do anything wrong. We did ask and get approval.
But I definitely felt like I was in trouble, even though he said it was fine. He said, I'm not gonna argue with you. And I was like,
he said that?
He's like, well, I'm not gonna argue with you if he told you he could or not, but just go ahead and get off. And I'm like, well, I didn't argue with you, but sure, all right.
Yeah, we took our 10 minutes and we ran with it. So I was like, Ben, can you set up your gimbal for me for a second? And he's like, this is Ben, flustered. Arranging the gimbal for me. Hey, so if there's a nice smooth shot in there, comment, shout out Ben for that gimbal shot. I took it, but shout out Ben for it. You know what I mean? Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. We're going to Chick-fil-A. That should be good. See ya. What's up, guys? We're back. We didn't make it to Chick-fil-A yet because Ben wants to fly his little drone. So we are a few miles out from Fernandina Beach. There's this little bridge where you leave the island from, and there's some swamp area here on the sides. And I think Ben is gonna park the drone up over the bridge, and we're gonna drive. So yeah.
Put the drone over the bridge. Disclaimer, and not fly the drone, but put the drone over where it can see us crossing the bridge.
Yeah, now we're gonna drive over the bridge.
And then you can see it right here.
Yep. What's up, guys? So we started driving over this bridge, and the thing starts beeping, and Ben goes, oh, it's geo-fenced. So then we started backing up on the bridge, on the shoulder right here. But it's fine, he's gonna land it, and we're gonna get on our merry way.
It's recording us as we're talking about this. You could literally use this
right
as B-roll footage.
Sure. Sure, us backing up right here. What's up, guys? We're a few miles outside of Savannah, Georgia. Gonna make a quick pit stop at Black Rifle Coffee Company. Ben, you excited?
Yes, very excited. I've not been to Savannah, Georgia since we deployed to Iraq back in 2007.
Yeah, almost there. We'll keep you guys updated. Guys, how do my eyes look? Good? Look at where we are right now. Black Rifle Coffee Company. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're downtown Savannah, Georgia. Ben just got off the phone with his wife.
These roads are crazy. Show them the roads. Show them the detail of the
check
road.
this out. When was the road built? 1700s? So, yeah. This is very cool. We have our Black Rifle Coffee Company 1776 lattes. I believe they're salted caramel lattes. They're very good. Check this out, dude. Just downtown. It's awesome.
It is. It's a very beautiful place. If we weren't in such a rush, I would say let's go back and show you guys where we just drove. I mean, it was like next level. I don't even know how to explain it. I was so in love with the place.
If we had more time, I would spend multiple days here.
Yes.
For sure.
We need to find a reason to come back here. So anyone on YouTube, if you're from Savannah, Georgia, shout us out. Let us know. We can come do a collab and we'll come hang out for a day or two.
I will definitely come. I would instantly come, actually. This is awesome. All right. Oh, check this little part out. Dude, look at the trees. Right downtown. Wow.
It's beautiful.
Look at this bridge. If you need to do a photo shoot, come to Savannah, Georgia.
Seriously.
I think we're about to pull on one of the main roads downtown. Rate Savannah, Georgia out of 10.
Yo, look at this. 10. This place is awesome. Do you want more of my thoughts? I mean, where are we going with this?
Bye. Heading on to the bridge, Savannah, Georgia. Overlooking the town right here.
We are in South Carolina now. Headed to Columbia to link up with some of our friends and do a little night photo shoot. I think it's going to be awesome. And we'll keep you guys posted. You got anything, Jay?
No, I'm having fun editing though. What's up, everybody? We're about 5 minutes out from Columbia, South Carolina. Oh, sign right there. Don't know if you caught that. Anyways, we're excited to meet Jaheim Bell. I believe we're going to the top of a parking garage. Jaheim said there's a pretty cool spot. And the sun is just about to set. I think we'll make it there in time to get a few sunset pictures. What up, guys? We made it. Jaheim is riding right in front of us. We are deep in the woods here. Yo, what up, guys? We're here with Jaheim. He wants to show you guys what the exhaust sounds like. Isn't that right? Hey, it's crazy. Check it out. Hit it one more time. You like the sound of that, Ben? Alright, you're good.
What's up? Jaheim is about to come around the corner. It's gonna sound great. Don't use that in the footage. That was stupid.
Proceed to the route.
Yo, what up, guys? It's Jade. We just finished shooting a little on-the-road bit with Jaheim. I'm here with Ben, of course, my traveling companion, and we're on the route home. I believe it is 12-hour drive home. We're gonna get as far as we can tonight and stay somewhere and then get going home in the morning. So I hope this video is pretty interesting. It should have a lot of cool stuff in it. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment, you know, what you want to see, and like the video. That'll help us a lot, reach some more people, get to do some cooler and bigger and better things. Matt, if you're watching this, thank you for letting me and Benny go out and have a good and fun trip. And yeah, peace out, subscribe.
Hey, real quick, to everyone we worked with, rock out.
Yeah, shout out you guys. Alright, there should be a little outro that I made. I think it's like a Madison Performance logo, and it goes like,